Welcome friends. In this video tutorial we will see and learn looping. Loops are used when we want to do some repeatedly action until some condition is met. So in this example we will see for next loop. We have created one form which accepts one number as an input from text box and one button. When we click on the button, click event of button will execute code and it will calculate sum of numbers which is in between 1 to number entered by user. So let's do this using the for next loop. First I am declaring two variables. One is the counter and to store sum I am declaring sum variable as integer. Now to use for next loop, first I have to write for. After that we have to use counter variable which is the looping variable. So I am writing counter. After writing counter we have to write equal to and from 1 to here we have to pass end value up to we want to execute this loop. So I want to execute this loop until txt number dot text time. We can also give step how much we want to increment each time loop. I want to just increment by 1, so I am not writing step. If you want to increment by 2, then we have to write step 2. Now in this for and next we have to write code which we want to execute. So I want to create the total. So write sum shorthand assignment operator and counter. So what will this do? It will each time add the value of counter into some variable. So it will store the sum until this for loop is being executed. Now let's print the value of sum after completing this for next loop. I want to display message box for sum. So I am writing sum is concatenation operator which is plus or ampersand and some variable. Now let's run. I am entering 25. I want to calculate the total of 1 to 25 numbers. So the total is 325. If I enter here 3, then total will be 6. So this is about looping. When we want to execute or do something repeatedly, then we can use these loops. There are many other types of loop like while loop, do while loop and for each loop. So this is about looping. Thank you.